Okay guys, so I just want to do a quick video and show you how I quickly weather train cars, especially coal hoppers. This technique works really good for coal hoppers. And as you can see, we're going to take a coal hopper that looks like this one on the left, and it ends up looking like this one here on the right in a very quick amount of time. These are the paints that I choose to use whenever I do the weathering. They're spray paint, and as you can see, the one is a camouflage brown, and the other is called Stone Gray. They're both flat primer paints, and what you end up doing is you mist the cars from a very far distance. You're also going to need something like this. Nice good paintbrush to clean the car, get all the dust off of it before you try to spray paint them, especially if they've been on your layout. Okay, I just want to quickly note about the brown camouflage. It looks really good on I think more modern cars. Like the railroads are real dirty, and it looks good on these dark black hoppers. Another technique that I did when I did these is when the paint is actually wet, I took a paper towel and I wiped right here where the numbers are at to keep the numbers clean. So as you can see, it's like the railroad workers cleaned off the numbers real quick just so you could read the numbers on the cars. And then for this hopper back here, I didn't wipe off the numbers, but I ended up getting like this reflective tape and adding it on after it was all done, and they look really good like that. I did these Norfolk Southern hoppers a while ago. Alright, so I've already gone ahead and brushed that car off, so I'm just going to give my spray paint can a good shaking, and then when that's ready, I'll show you what we do here when we start. Okay, so I first start off with the bottom of the car. I'm going to hold my hand probably about 15 inches from the car, as you can see here, and I'm just going to start to lightly mist it. Alright, so that kind of looks pretty good. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to spin the wheels. Alright. Do it again. Alright, and now I'm just going to take the car, put it up on its side like this. Alright. And then we're just going to do the same thing over here. Starting from the bottom, we're going to work from the bottom up. And hit the trucks real good. And as you're doing that, you want to wheel it a little bit. Catch the wheels at a different angle. Now we're going to get the ends. Make sure you get the couplers from both angles. Same thing over here. This spray can's spitting a little bit on me. I'm getting a little bit more splotchy than I'd like, but it's alright, it doesn't look bad. And then I'm going to do a real light mist on the top. That's it. It's done. That fast. There you have it. So you could do a whole set of these real quick. Hope this helps somebody if you're wondering how to weather your O-scale train cars. quickly and effectively. Thanks for watching.
Roger. Okay, clear to the junction. Over.